Hello world, welcome to my channel. This short video is the unboxing of a TRX 5-watt UHF handheld radio. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Okay, you get the user manual. Comes with a 3-year warranty. A lot of the others only have 12 months. And it is a 5-watt UHF CB radio. That's the user manual. Just some instructions what to do if there's a problem. So it comes packaged like that, and everything's right. Radio without a battery on it. These damn packets adult proof. Battery on. Make sure it's off. That's the belt clip. Charging cable. Charging hub, 12-volt cable. Charging the car, that's what I needed. In the area. That's it there. TRX. It's splash proof as well. Not waterproof, it's splash proof. Fits nicely in the hand. Side controls. Here and there. And that's it there. That's the TRX 5-watt handheld UHF CB radio. Feels nice in the hand. Metal case. And the belt clip. So I have to put the belt clip on. charging. I've got to charge it before I use it, so I'll turn it off. Yeah, this radio is available at the moment from Anaconda for $99. I was deciding up whether to get this one or a handheld GME for $269. I need to spend that much money to get the 12 volt charger. This one came with a charger, a 12 volt charger, so for $99, metal case, splash proof, feels nice, and it'll do for what I want when I go out metal detecting. This is the CB radio up close. There are the buttons on the side. It's nice in the hand, of course. That's it there. More buttons on that side. Switch an antenna on top. Okay, that's a product overview there. The top button here on the side, that is the transmit button, PTT. The next one down is also a noise function, so if your signal is very loose, very quiet, you push that and it improves the signal. It's like a squelch. And the bottom one is an alarm button. It actually, you can use it to have an alarm system. So yeah, that's what it is, the TRX 5 watt UHF CB radio, and with a 3-year warranty. 17-kilometre range, emergency siren, and dual. It also has dual channel monitoring. I don't know a lot about them, but it's what I will need if I go walking in the bush, to try and call somebody if something happens, emergency. Same as the PLB I carry as well, and the snake bite kit I carry as well, with some first aid supplies. It's part of my kit when I go walking in the bush. Well, I hope you liked this video about this TRX 5 watt handheld CB radio. Nothing special. Expensive ones are okay. I decided to get the cheaper one only because I wouldn't use it that much, and it seems to suit me, and it feels fine, looks fine, metal case, splash proof, ticks most of the boxes for me. Okay, well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers.